Welcome to Ishatech Graphics. Today I'm going to be showing you a little trick on how to add line, which is stroke, to your images. Straight to the point, how to add stroke to your images. You can change the stroke colors after adding them. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. Our subscription is free of charge and it will enable you to be notified whenever we drop a new tutorial. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful video. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. Then I'll add my image. Let's add image, this plus sign from gallery. I'm going to use this. Now this is my picture. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this circle. You've seen it. Click on this circle or reduce it the way I want. Are you getting me? Then the next thing to do is to press OK. You've seen it. Now the next thing to do is I'll go and enable my stroke. Have you seen it? Now you have seen a little line across at the edges of the image. I'm going to increase the stroke now. Stroke width, have you seen it? Very simple. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to change the line, the color of the stroke to my preferred color. Any color you feel like using. So this is how you add stroke, which is your line on your image, and you press OK. So that is how you add line to your image, straight to the point. Very easy to do. So if you enjoy what we do here, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. I will see you in our next video.